What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Welcome to another video with Trade with Tyler. Today we're going to be going over PHUN on the stock ticker. This stock, you can see, did have a strong run up today. As you can see, this dark shaded area is market hours. The light shaded areas are after and pre-market hours. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I did not see any specific fundamental news on this stock from my immediate information, but if I am wrong and if there is some strong fundamental news, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know. I really appreciate that. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the technicals. Let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at about 188. We got our support. We'll go ahead and use this right here at 172 because as you can see, we broke above here. We came back down, retest. That's where the support is formed, and we push higher to this 188 towards the end of the day, pull back, and now we're just ranging in here. Let's go ahead and put our median, which is the middle point, right here at 180. Now, at this stock, we can see in pre-market here, there was not much action. It did pop up off the moving average a little bit for about 10 cents, pulled back, and then at market open, pretty much rode on top of this moving average here and then found support on the VWAP and exploded upwards, right? So today we've seen a run from about 140 all the way up to 188. So that's definitely a strong bullish momentum move and very volatile. Those are the things we're looking for. So let's go ahead and get right into this. What I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I want to see that bullish momentum return, right? Because I'm going to be looking for this continuation trade. I want to see the momentum continue forward. So what I want to see, for me personally, I'm going to set an alert. I think right now the most important level is right here at 188. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an alert at 188 here. So that way, if tomorrow, that way I don't have to watch this stock 24/7, right? That's a big thing. You don't want to just watch one stock 24/7 because then you get too hung up on it. You'll make bad decisions, and that's just not how you want to do it. So for me, what I want to see, what's very important tomorrow is I want to see that momentum return. I want to see us break back above this median here, 180. I want to see us push back above. We are sitting just below it in after hours. And you can see we finished the day right about at the median before pulling back down to the support in after hours, as you can see this shaded area here. So what I want to see is I want to see a break above 180. I'm still not interested at that point, but I want to see that. And then what'll happen is I'll have my alert here at 188. That way, if this momentum does push us above 188, that's when I'll get interested. That's when I'll start watching this. Next thing I want to see us break, and then I want to see us pull back slightly, even if it's just for a minute, even if it's for 5 minutes. I want to see us pull up. I want to see us pull back down, because if we just shoot off, then there's no way that you could get into that trade in time without just hopping in, and you never want to just hop into a trade. You want confirmation. You want that triple confirmation, right? So again, what I'm looking for is that break above 188. I want to see a pullback. I want to see stabilization. I want to see, bullish hammers, shooting stars, bullish engulfings, just some reversal candles. I want to see level 2 looking good. You got to have some confluence going on. You can't just hop into trades. And then once I see that stabilization, and you see that momentum kick back up, what I do personally is I have my order ready above that pullback point, wherever that may be. It may be here, it may be down here, but for this example, we're going to say here. And really quickly, just in case you guys are new and you didn't know, we are talking about this on the 15-minute chart. I forgot to mention that. This is not a scripted video, so I just do this off the top of my head. Sorry about that. Each one of these bars are 15 minutes if you didn't know that. So I just wanted to let anybody that is new know that really quick. So again, what I do is once we see that break above 188, we see that retest and that momentum kick back in, that's when I have my order ready to go already set up. So that way, when the momentum does push us past there, the buyers, every buyer that sees that, if they're holding stock, they're going to add to the position because they're going to be confirmed right? And B, if they didn't have stock, the fact that they've seen it push past that pullback point is going to give them the momentum and the euphoria to buy, right? That's what we're trying to ride, and that's how the continuation play happens. And I'd ride it up to this next resistance, which you definitely want to keep in mind here at 198. We do have some resistance here. So my guess is that we do push up to about 198 when we break this 188. This would be the safer way to play it. Again, you could hop in if it was lower, but then you have to take this into consideration, this 198, because this is a strong pivot point. It's within the structure range. There is more resistance up here, but this is where you would ride this move to. So again, if you have a strong pivot area within your structure, you have to take that into consideration all the time. Okay, so most advanced traders will know that, but in case you're new, I wanted to make sure you know. I don't want to leave you in the dust, right? So again, watch for that break of that important level 188. That's going to be crucial. And then watch out for this strong resistance here at 198, this pivot, right? And then what you want to do, wait for it to pull back. Wait for it to break 188. Wait for it to find resistance. It might not be perfectly at 198 either. It might be 196. It might be 195. Okay? But you can always have your order at above 198. I mean, it's always up to you, but for me, I would want to be above 198. Okay, that's the point. And then what I'd do once I seen it pull back and then that momentum return, I'd set up my order, and then I'd put a big order here at about 199 or whatever the case may be. Whatever at the moment. I can only predict now, but at the time it might be different. It might be a different scenario, right? But for the prediction's sake, for the setup sake, this is how I would play it if everything goes perfect. If once that momentum does return, I have my order ready, and I'd ride it up to this next resistance here at 210. Sell 3/4 of my position, hold 1/4, and then I'd wait to see if we break above this 210, which is another pivot zone right here. And if we do break above there, I would look for this same kind of setup. I'd look for it to come down, retest off 210. I'd look for that momentum return, and then I'd add 3/4 more of my position. And then I do the same thing, just rinse and repeat. That way I'm always risk-free, and I'm always playing with house money, not my money, because you always want to be risking house money, not your money, right? Do everything you can to not risk your own money. That is crucial. If you do that, most of the time you'll be successful, right? Now, I know most of you are not shorting this stock. I'm not shorting this stock. I'm not looking to short it, but let's go ahead and talk about it anyway so we know what people who are shorting are looking for, right? So if you're holding stock, this way you know what to look out for. If you're looking to short it, this way you know what to look out for. If you just want to learn and you don't really care either way, then at least you know, and it just makes you a smarter trader overall, makes you make better decisions. So if you are shorting, or what you want to watch out for is this level at 172 will be a crucial level, because a break below there would definitely get a lot of shorts interested in this play. Okay, 172 will be absolutely crucial. If we do break below there, next thing I look for is to see if we do retest off this 172, and either A, we push back above, we find support here at this VWAP, looks like it's swinging in this moving average. Either A, we're going to find support here, or B, we're going to get rejected off this. That bearish momentum is going to return, and if I was shorting, I would have my order ready right below that pullback point and right below that VWAP. That way when that momentum kicks in, people start to panic and they sell. Then I'd ride that momentum down to this 148 support here. So this is the short play I look for. This is the long play I look for. I'm personally going to be looking to go long. The most important levels to watch are 188 for the bulls and 172 for the bears. We have a median of 180. So I'm guessing we're going to range in here until it makes a move either direction. Definitely watch these levels, set your alerts. I hope this video helped you. If it did, click that like button right away, subscribe for more, and make sure to share this video with your friends on Facebook, StockTwits, Twitter. I really appreciate it. That's the only way that I can get support from you other than you joining my signal group at tradewithtyler.net, where you can get signals for trades like this before they even happen, sent right to your phone. And then I also send a picture of the trade set up to your email about 5 minutes later. But I do send the text out instantly. That way you're notified and you're ready to go right away. So thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.
Hey there, you must have liked that video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like that one.